So in this video, let us learn how a distance formula works and we'll derive the distance formula. So let there be 2 points A and B. I'll have my A point over here and then a B point over here. Now the problem is to find the distance between A and B, and this one is your x-axis and your y-axis. So in order to track down the x-coordinate and the y-coordinate on its respective axis, I am going to draw perpendicular line. Here the meaning is that the distance from the origin to over here is x1 and the distance from the origin to this foot is x2. Similarly, I can also draw perpendicular lines over here. Right? So the distance from origin to this point is y1 and the distance from the origin to this point would be y2. Now what I can do is I can complete a right angle triangle over here. I can also draw a perpendicular over here, and this line is already perpendicular to the line that we just drew. Now the problem is to find the distance over here, D. In order to find D, let me first find the distance of this particular line and this line. So we know that distance from here to here is x2 and distance from here to here is x1. So what would be the distance from here to here, which should be x2 minus x1. Similarly, the distance between these 2 points would be y2 minus y1. So I can write the y2 minus y1 over here. So this distance would be y2 minus y1 and this one's distance would be this one. So which one? x2 minus x1. So what I have done here is that I have completed a right angle triangle with the following distances: y2 minus y1 and here x2 minus x1, and this one would be D. Alright. So what I can do, I can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So the hypotenuse square would be equal to the sum of squares of the other 2 sides of the triangle. So D would be root over x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Since distance would be positive, I won't be mentioning plus or minus over here. So the alternate forms are D is equal to x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Few students think that this is not the right formula, but this is also the correct formula, as x2 minus x1 the whole square is equal to x1 minus x2 the whole square. Thank you. I'll come up with a new concept in your next video.